Greetings and welcome to this BH Cosmetic Zodiac palette look. This is a look using the 3 water signs on the palette, so Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. So it used both the mattes and the shimmers. This is the Pisces matte and shimmer, that beautiful brown and tan. This is the Scorpio, and here you can see the Cancer on the left. I went in first with a fluffy brush, and I went into the purple color from the Gemini matte, and I put that on the inner corner, moved it out across the brow to the outside edge. Then, dipping into the Scorpio, I filled in the outer half of the eye with that brown, and then blended it a little bit in with the purple along the rest of the crease line toward the inner eye. Then going into the Pisces matte, which is even darker, I darkened up the outer corner and underneath the eye just a little bit on the outside edge. Then I went into the Pisces shimmer, and I used that along the brow bone with a pencil brush, and I also put it in the inner corner of both eyes to highlight the inner corner. Using a brush that was dry, I packed on the Cancer shimmer, and then I sprayed it just to make that a little bit more intense and foil it out a little bit. And then I started applying it to the inside half of the upper lid and below the lash line on the lower half. It takes a minute to work with this because you have to load the brush and then spray it each time, but the payoff is fantastic. So it's a really great technique if you're looking for high shine and foil on your shimmers. Once I completed that color, I went into the Scorpio, and I did the same technique where I put the shimmer on the brush and then use the setting spray on the shimmer to moisten it, and then apply it to the eye. I put this on the outside edge of both eyes, as well as underneath the lash line on the outside of both eyes. And then I went back in with the brush, and I worked the seam between the two colors to blend them just a little bit. And then for a little pop, I used this micro eyeliner to wing it out just a little bit. I went under the eye and then on the outside edge just to give it a little bit more drama, and then a little bit across the outside of the upper lid. And this is the completed look using the 3 water signs on the palette. And you can see the high impact shimmer effect across the eye. Thanks so much for watching, and have a glorious day.